How can financial institutions innovate at scale and achieve faster time to value? T. Rowe Price is always helping investors thrive in an evolving world, and that's why they've tuned to Salesforce and AI. I'm Carolyn Bathauer, joined by David Breakstone, Senior Director, Industry Advisor, and Jenny Phillips, VP Sales Enablement, Salesforce at T. Rowe Price. Welcome. Thank you for joining us today.
Yeah.
David, let's start with you. What is Salesforce doing to help wealth and asset management businesses evolve with their customers?
Sure. So wealth and asset management firms all share a very ambitious goal to double their assets under management over the next 3, 5, or 10 years. Many of them are pulling some of the same levers, introducing new products, improving operational efficiency, or scaling their organization and delivering exceptional client experiences and driving customer engagement. But what's holding them back? You know, when we talk to people on the front lines, they're inundated with manual tasks, disconnected workflows, or having to swivel chair between multiple different systems to find the data they need to service their customers. Salesforce is really well positioned to help address these challenges. Through our AI-powered financial services platform, right, we're connecting data, we're streamlining workflows, and we're delivering data and insights to the people best positioned to help influence the customer experience, those on the front lines. Furthermore, when you think about distributed marketing to send out personalized intellectual capital and communications to client at scale, Tableau for an AI-powered financial command center, and Slack to collaborate across multiple business lines to bring the best that the company has to offer, and of course, the introduction of our digital labor force with Agentforce to really augment and really streamline and improve efficiency and productivity of the sales force.
That's amazing, because it seems like the accuracy, the personalization, and that speed in getting to customers is super important in this industry, and I'm glad we're helping with that.
Yeah.
So Jenny, tell me a little bit about your role at T. Rowe Price and some of the challenges that Salesforce is helping you all solve.
Sure. So I have been working at T. Rowe for the last 8 years on Salesforce. So my team is responsible for the Salesforce platform on the global distribution side of our business. And right now we're really focused on, we've just worked out our data strategy and really fixing the foundational data needs. And now we really need to think about the user experience. How do we drive effectiveness and efficiency through our operation through better user experience, which will help client engagement. And Salesforce has been critical in that. We actually just had a Illuminate engagement with Salesforce that really defined what does that next 3 to 5 years look like and how can Salesforce help us?
Yeah, so it sounds like it's a true partnership, which is great. And so, and we talk about data being the foundation of everything, and it's also the foundation of a great user experience. So that is critical. So data is the foundation, but then consolidated user experiences for associates regards to establishing deeper client relationships. Tell us about how that works.
Yeah, persona-driven experience is really top of mind for us right now. We have really trying to drive two things. First, we don't want our users, our associates, to miss anything about the client preparing for a meeting. We want the client to feel like we understand them, we understand their whole entire relationship with T. Rowe, and are able to understand like their overall needs and wants. Additionally, we don't want our associates spending hours and hours in preparation, because those are times that we could actually be spending with more clients and giving them better information. And helping their entire experience with us. So that is really what we're trying to do, is drive that efficiency and drive better and more often client engagement.
That's incredible. We're going to stay with you because we want to talk a little bit about, Salesforce AI innovations are everywhere. So how is that helping T. Rowe Price with empowering and servicing the next generation of associates and clients? How are y'all using it?
I think we're at the beginning stages. I think we're very much in the efficiency with generative, but we're really looking at agents really to help for the entire client journey, whether that's onboarding all the way through to the end of, helping service those people. And for our associates, it's really about helping our highest performers perform faster, and then taking our maybe lower performers and helping them be more like high performers. And that really helps them and helps our clients.
That's great. And, you know, everybody is at a different stage in that journey. And so being at the start of it, that's where a lot of people are. And so when we think about that evolution of getting from the start to the finish, I think you're approaching it in a really smart way, where you're thinking about how do we make people better and more efficient, and handling those tasks from customers and questions, and then allowing them to spend more time, like you said, on the personalization interactions. So David, like AI adoption, we know it is at every end of the spectrum. So what advice do you have for customers who are looking into that AI adoption?
Well, first, Salesforce has been in the AI business for over 10 years with the launch of predictive analytics back in 2015. We've launched generative AI, and now we launched Agentforce last year. And we've developed a number of different frameworks to help customers who are beginning on their AI journey or maturing on their AI journey. And it first starts with identifying what role are you trying to provide AI with? And underneath that, what are the tasks or jobs that they're doing on a daily basis? And then start asking the questions, what should I have AI do for me? Autonomous. What should I have AI do with me? Assistive. What should I not have AI do at all and let me do it myself? And that's a non-AI version. So using this framework will help prioritize use cases, starting with some simple ones like generative case summaries or preparing for meetings. And then we can get more to advance. But using some level of framework to help prioritize and understand the value that you're going to get out of it is critical when you begin your AI journey, and we're here to help.
I think that's a great framework, and so thank you for sharing that. And thank you both for coming on the show today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, to learn more about Agentforce for financial services, scan the QR code on the screen or go to http://sfdc.co/fins-AI.